quick and healthy snack options. One of my habits that I always maintain as a dietitian. I am very lazy when it comes to snacking. So I make sure to keep quick and healthy snacks in my kitchen. Let's dig in. Number 1 is yogurt with fiber-rich cereal. Yogurt works like magic for your gut health. तो मैं इसको कभी मिस नहीं कर सकती because it is a great and only source of probiotics in your diet. और cereals buy करने से पहले make sure to read their nutrition labels, उसके fiber और sugar content को अच्छे से देखें. Nuts are my favorite ready to eat snack. इसको खाकर तो I feel like मैंने बहुत कोई सवाब का काम कर लिया because they are so great source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. My third most favorite snack is dates with peanut butter and almond in it. Like it is so yummy और peanut butter मैं वैसे भी खा लेती हूँ. Dates are rich in natural sugars, fiber and lots of nutrients. और nuts का तो मैंने आपको बताया ही है. और peanut butter is amazing and quick source for protein. But make sure to find the best one from market which is low in sugar and sodium content. और घर में खुद से बना लें तो